welcome back to my channel. We are in
Jamaica.
We're in Jamaica, guys. We just landed. It's currently December 24th, so it's Christmas Eve. I see my bag.
They go big orange, big orange.
And it's not like 8:30ish around that time.
It is 9:15, 9:20, 9:30.
9:30. Sorry, we landed at 8:30.
Right. She lying to y'all.
So yeah, Boo is gonna meet my mom for the first time. So excited. Are you excited? I have a story to tell y'all about our flight, but I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. It's video. Okay, y'all, so we got outside and of course my mom is not here as I predicted. Didn't I tell you she's not gonna be here? But initial reaction of Jamaica. Yeah.
So
we're hungry. It's food. So. And it's hot.
my back hurt.
Let me take this jacket off. That's what I need to do.
And that would
Oh my God! Hi, Lorenzo.
said
Hi, baby. Oh. Lorenzo. Say hi. Say hi to my camera. Want to see yourself? Oh, so cute. Hi, Shane. Say hi. Lorenzo.
look at this.
Kisses? Give me a kiss. Big bang. Yo, this is a lot of money. Hold that. How much is this? First stop to get Bae to try Jamaican KFC because it's gonna be the best.
Okay, why the bad didn't tell her if you go do her? And what you tell him back?
Kupa Farina! Boy, saucy! Hold on, let me see the fit! Ugly? Aaliyah baby hair swimming, boy. Aaliyah, let me see it. Nobody excited to see you.
Who you?
I'll push you over this wall.
Keep Andre gold chain though.
She coming.
Lorenzo, who's that? Who's that, Lorenzo?
That's actually my first one.
Lorenzo hugged me like that.
Oh, it's Tori Hammer time.
I will just get back and we eat some food. We get some fried chicken and rice and peas. And we get some curry goat and rice and peas too. I'll come back. I will just a bill.
And what we gonna do?
We're not gonna bathe, we're not gonna bathe. And do what?
What else?
Let me show you your ponytail, you know.
Hey, move fast.
Y'all, so I've been doing a horrible job of vlogging, but today was kind of slow because me and Boo got in earlier this morning, as you guys saw, but my dad and my siblings didn't get in until like 7, 8, like around that time. So we were just spending all day waiting on them, waiting because we had no form of transportation to get around without them, and it was raining, so we took a nap. And
That's very nice.
Alright, Grandma.
See you tomorrow.
Bye bye, Grandma.
So
Sleep over there?
She said sleep good.
Yeah.
So I just gave like showed my mom the stuff that I bought for her and my little brother, and now we're gonna take a shower and maybe play Uno. I need to brush my eyelashes
And your teeth.
And your teeth.
Yeah. You not need to brush for the teeth too?
What, like a piece of chalk? So open at the video like.
So yeah.
Up to me, bro.
Be nice. Be nice. What happened to them? Talk to them. Goody.
It's all about me and my 5 kids, them.
Yeah.
Period.
One good son-in-law.
Big ol'. Yeah.
Period. What did you guys say, baby? How was your first day in Jamaica? Tell the vlog.
It was good. I ate some KFC and some more fried chicken, rice and peas. And we was cool and chilling.
Chilling. So
Good vibes.
yeah, today is Christmas Eve. I don't know if I mentioned that, but tomorrow we're having a dinner at my dad's house, kind of like a party. So I will be vlogging that. And the day after Christmas here is a holiday as well as Boxing Day. So we're gonna try to go out that day as well. I wanted to go out tonight because tonight is Grand Market. But that don't look like it's gonna happen. But when my dad comes home, that might change because, you know, he think he young. So if we go out tonight, I'll let you guys know. If we don't, I'll see you guys tomorrow or in the next
Show
vlog.
Andre wave.
Oh my god.
Swimming, you catching a tidal wave.
Sheesh. Wait, he needs some flash, baby.
Hold on, then. I got him like that.
Listen, you got to.
Come here, my brother.
Sheesh.
You gotta show it.
I said front head and one.
Put it on the back. That's how
I want to see the front. Lift up your head.
Jesus Christ.
Tutorial 101. Make sure, make sure your do-rag is secure. Swimming, baby.
In process. Just wait on it. Just wait on it.
And then I
You
tied.
look like you fresh out of jail.
I tied.
What Kodak said, baby?
Dogs in the cell, in the can, in the soup, because they in the can. Something.
I decided not to go out, so I'm just here with the guys. I need to be combing my eyelashes out, but I'm tired, Boo's tired. I didn't really sleep today because while I was trying to take a nap, my little 4-year-old brother was just crying for my mom and she was not here, so he just kept crying and crying. But yeah, we're probably just gonna chill. Baby, what's this on my face? I'll holla at y'all in the AM. Good morning, everybody, and Merry Christmas. We had this Christmas. Currently 10:04, and I didn't just wake up, but I kind of just started getting everything. My stepmom, my mom, my stepmom's sister is out there making Christmas dinner. Well, they're starting to like season everything and cook because it's beer bashment thing today. I think we're having a party. Well, it's like a Christmas dinner, but it might turn into a party. So.
Wow. Who there? You bought the kitchen in the bathroom for me? Y'all want to see how y'all brush our teeth? Get pretty like me?
Do-rag and bonnet crew. Say glee, baby. Glee. Go look at my siblings. See what they talking about because they still sleep. They gotta get up. Children. Whoa! That boy with the do-rags, the doozy, it's coming off, Andre. You gotta get up and fix it, bro. You gotta get up and fix it. Your waves, bro. Your waves, dog. Yo.
Chill out with that, bro.
Yo. Already drinking juice. Say morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Give me a kiss. Kiss. Can I have a kiss? This man still ain't done, but my battery's dying, so let me switch that out and I'll talk to you.
I still have my battery down. It's 4 o'clock in the morning right now. But just fire her, bro. Tell y'all don't want brown skin beauty no more.
Oh, y'all don't want brown skin beauty no more? What I did wrong, baby? So, we just went on the biggest journey to find something like this. We stopped at, we went to one store by the house. Then that store sent us to the other store.
And that store sent us to another store.
And then we saw my dad. My dad was like, come in, man. My dad was like riding a bicycle randomly through the neighborhood. And then he brought us to somebody's house. We got some eggs. Well, not somebody's house, but they're selling eggs out their house. So we got some eggs from there, and we went across and got some franks, which is one of my faves. And then we saw our neighbor at the store, and we're in a taxi. And that is the journey of Shamar and Pickup this morning.
For some eggs and franks. We had 5 stores. 5.
And this boy's getting freaking Bigfoot. Now we have to go drop this off to my grandma so she can make it. We hungry. Oh, we gotta go grandma, baby. Grandma still over here? We did. Daddy came back fast. Look at my daddy on the bike. Can y'all see him? He riding right there. With the Bigfoot in hand. Secured. So now we gotta go try to cook. Grandma securing the breakfast. Fried dumpling. And then we have the franks and the eggs that she's gonna make for Pico. And now we're about to go to the house. Say hi, Daddy. Come on into my camera, please.
Good morning.
Marky, say hi to my camera.
Right there, Mo.
Marky, can I cook? Check. Eh? Yeah. They got the big pots. Alright, monkey man.
See the laptop and stuff.
You gonna climb it, baby?
No, cut up yourself.
If I fall, tell my mom I love her. FAU football, hold it down.
Watch the wire. See that?
No, I don't see the wire.
If this branch was locked.
Look at my baby.
Damn, hey, hold on. You need to give me some instructions on how you got past this.
Tori, vlog for me.
Watch your foot still, Pico.
Pico climbing the tree. Grab onto the tree and pull yourself up. Don't grab that. That's not strong. Go.
But Andre,
grab that one that your hand is on and pull yourself up.
Andre.
Yeah.
No, that one. No.
And then reach up to the top one right there.
Pull yourself up.
Put your foot, yeah. And then pull yourself up. And now put that, yeah.
Honestly, y'all instructions suck.
Why you zooming in?
I had to zoom into his face. Never see you no more.
Well,
You're going the opposite way of what I told
that's fine. I'm too short to freaking go that way. I'm trying to tell you.
Miss Jen.
I want to climb a bit more.
Danny,
What?
Don't give up.
step back a little bit and reach your leg. Oh, there you go.
As far as I know how to climb a tree.
Hold on that.
Do you?
That, there now.
You gotta understand that his legs are longer than mine, so you have a little bit more reach. Oh, I'm tired.
Bleep. Bleep.
Oh.
Careful. Careful. Step back. Step back on that log right there. Baby, step back on
Today, grab the sandal and put it on my foot.
Put it on my foot.
Where shit.
Prrr on my foot.
Can't hold on long, huh? Oh, but he kicked the out of me, boy. Yo, I think he gonna kick out my eyelash. He kicked me right here.
Let me show y'all how
That was a workout, ain't it?
back.
War
Look
wounds.
better.
War wound.
Look back from down.
That's the hard part. Yeah, Andre, you're a monkey.
That shit hurt. I don't know how he just did that. That thing hurt.
That's why I was telling people to step back on that.
I didn't see that behind me. You got my wallet there?
Yeah. Be careful, Andre. Alright, I'm done here. And that is how you climb a tree. After climbing a tree, you need a cold back juice and a sucks up. Bomb, y'all.
Alright, back.
Juicy fruit.
No home.
Andre, I can't see you. Yeah. Now it is much later, and I did. Climbing the tree and stuff.
Yeah.
We took a nap, then got up and got ready. Now it's for the Christmas party slash birthday party slash family reunion slash
Something.
what do you mean? Alright, take it off. So everybody got dressed in their Christmas attire. I'm not wearing red. I have a little bit of green going. And we're about to go downstairs. So let's go. About to show y'all the setup. Say hi, y'all. Shout out to the chef. Chef number 1, chef number 2, and chef number 3. Ho, ho, ho.
I want a picture with Frank.
We're gonna cheers. Hold your cheers into huh? Cheers into
First time in Jamaica.
first time in Jamaica, meeting my family, and us having. Wait, I wasn't. I'm over here. Over here.
Huh? What? Yeah. Yeah, butter, yeah. Yeah.
That's why I'm please.
Hold on.
That would be cool if I like could talk to my friend. I'm gonna take a number.
I think her phone is not working.
Huh?
Think about what look at them and what nobody.